even, 15 seconds.
So you can see all the smoke that was created. By drilling it across grain, it's heating up. It's hard for it to remove that material and get that material pulled out through the hole. Now we're going to show you Red Helix. So, as you saw, we created a much faster hole. We removed that material and didn't clog up and slow up the drill bit as it was drilling. Now, as James talked about, he talked about impacts and the fastest growing category of the power tool market. So with that, impacts put out a lot more RPM, more torque. They're a more demanding tool than a drill. In metal drilling, we talked about the heat buildup. RPMs and torque equals heat for metal drilling. That's why we've added the Shockwave technology to our titanium Shockwave Red Helix drill bits. What it allows us to do is it allows us to remove the heat away from the tip for a better performance in impacts and drills.
7.41 seconds.
So whether you're using a drill or an impact, you're getting the performance of Red Helix.